Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your TikTok username. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok released in September 2016 is a popular social media app that allows users to create, watch, and share short videos shot on mobile devices or webcams with its personalized feed of quirky short videos set to music and sound effect. The app is notable for its addictive quality and high levels of engagement. However, what if you want to change your username on your uh, TikTok account? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our TikTok, and from here, you can go to your profile. So here's my username before I change it. Now you can just select on edit. There is an option name and username. Name is your display name, and if you want to change your username, we can select on username. And yeah, when you change your username, you can change your username once every 30 days. Changing your username will also change your profile link. Usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. So, for example, I will try to change my username like this. After you create your new username, you can just select on save on the upper right corner. Set username. You can change your usernames once every 30 days. You can set. And now you have changed your TikTok username with the new one. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your TikTok username. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.